Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to unbox this package. They just sent this to me so that I can do a review for this. I'm going to review it for you guys now. It does have like kind of plastic, and the store is like Xinjiang. This is like a backpack for women, fashion leather backpack, and it is a large capacity travel leather backpack, vintage. So, and it can be used as book pack too, and they send me in the color black. So I'm going to put this on there. So it's like this. And what's good about this bag, it does have like a cover. So if you don't want to wear it or use it today, you can still put it here. Like, so that the leather is not like being broken. So here it is. It's really a big backpack. I wish they sent this to me when I was in school. So this is how it looks like. It's really big, and you can put like a laptop, a tablet, your books, your notebooks, or this is good for like going to school, going to work, or you have a kid, you have infants. This is like a nice one to have. So it does have a plastic here. You need to take this off. Like the handle is really nice. So after I take off some of this, I'm going to make a video or a collage or something for you guys so that you guys can see how it is. So far, this how this the straps is. This strap on the top is leather, and then on the bottom it is like kind of what do you call this, like a nylon texture or something like that. And then the adjustable, it is adjustable, really nice. And it is like kind of silver, like a simple silver. So this is it looks like. And then it does have a warranty, and then you're just gonna scan the QR code they gave it to you, and then you just basically get a free gift, I guess. So let's start in the front. You have a small pouch right here, and it says LING SHUIWEN. So it does have small pouch, and then take this off. So it does have an extra a lot of space to put in here. And then on the top, oh wow, it's really like deep. You can put a lot of things in here. And then on both sides it does still have like a pocket, and then another pocket. I don't know where you're gonna put in here, but there's a lot of pockets. And then there's another one over here, and then also right here. So I don't know what you're gonna put in here. And then on inside of it, this is how it looks like. And it still have a strap. So if you don't want it like a backpack, you can use it as a shoulder bag. Yeah, you can use it as a shoulder bag, because it does have a handle right here too. And then inside you have a lot of space also. And then it does have this pocket here again. Wow. and then a pocket 3, and then another one. Wow. Wow. So I guess when you buy this one, it is really worth it if you are a backpack person and you wanted to put a lot of things in your purse. And then on the back we still have another pocket. It's like a hidden pocket for you. So I like this backpack. It's really nice. Like, wow. I can use this one for my hospital backpack thingy, just to put my makeup on, my like skincare products or whatever, charger. What else can I put in here? And then the strap. So I'm going to show you guys now how big it is inside, like so that you guys can see, so that it is clear for you guys how spaceful is this backpack. So let's go. So here is the backpack. It doesn't really fit in the frame of this camera, but like I said, in the front it does have a lot of space, you guys can see. And then same thing in this inside, like really deep, you guys can see it here. And inside here it is, and it does have 3 pockets here. So there's 1, 2, and then 3. And then on both sides have pockets, and then another one right here, and then on the other side, and then same thing. And then on the back it does have like a hidden pocket again, and then the handle is right here, and the strap of the backpack. And on the bottom part, it's like a basic, doesn't have like a handle or here. But if you wanted to have like a strap, like a shoulder bag, you can attach the strap that I showed it to you guys a while ago. So now I'm going to show you guys how many stuff I can put in here. So for example, I go to school, I have these notebooks that I needed, and then if I have like a pencil case, I can put it here, I guess. And then if I have a water bottle, I can put it here. So, oh, there's another space right here too. There's like a sleeve that you can put your pen and other stuff. And then if you are like in a hurry, you have a makeup bag. I have a bigger makeup bag. So this is how it looks like inside. You can put a lot of things here, and then you can just put your phone here, so it's like all the way over there. So I really like this backpack. It's really spacious. It's really spacious. So I'm going to give this 5 out of 5 because it is really spacious and I like it. I wish I seen this backpack before when I was in school, in high school. It is really like a medium backpack that I really wanted to have. It is more affordable. So that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up, and I'm going to link on the description box their storefront in Amazon if you guys are interested to check this out. They have a different kinds of like colors And yeah, I'm going to show it to you guys here what is their storefront looks like. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.